Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from CodeRevolution. So in many of my videos I talk about what Crawlomatic can do, and this video I want to make it a bit different. In this video I want to talk about what Crawlomatic cannot do. So I thought about this really hard, and a single thing came to my mind that Crawlomatic cannot do at the moment, but yeah, it might be added in the future. So I have here this example site, and if you scroll down real fast to its bottom, you will see that it will load more posts automatically. So here they are keeping uploading, and this is a type of lazy loading of website. It's an infinite scroll feature of this website. Other websites might have also a button here that will automatically load more posts, which is using JavaScript and Ajax. So yeah, these posts that appear after the lazy loading marker from here, the infinite scroll marker from here, cannot be scraped right now by Crawlomatic, and in the future I want to add support also for this. However, this needs to be added using Puppeteer or Headless Browser API Puppeteer, which is a cloud service which renders Puppeteer on in the cloud and delivers the results of JavaScript rendered content to your site and to Crawlomatic, so it can scrape the content from it. So this is a future update that I am planning for Crawlomatic, so it will be able to use Puppeteer, which is a headless browser which needs to be installed on your server. So it will be also able to get the contents of site after the lazy loading, the infinite loading, the infinite scroll feature. So there are also alternatives on how to get this content. You can search the sitemap of this site, and if you are lucky, a sitemap will be there, and here it is: online programs, pages and blogs. In this case I am lucky, and Crawlomatic can crawl also sitemaps and scrape the posts from them. However, this might not apply to all websites out there. So in case the website you want to scrape does not have a sitemap, does not have an RSS feed, and also uses this infinite scroll features or has a button that loads more posts, then you should know that at the moment Crawlomatic is not able to do the loading of these more posts. However, this might change in the future, as I said that I want to add this feature to Crawlomatic. If you have more features in mind that Crawlomatic cannot do at the moment, leave me a comment in this video's commenting section, as I will check them and I will think if they can be or cannot be done by Crawlomatic at the moment, and if they cannot, I will think on adding these features that you suggest to Crawlomatic. If you haven't heard of Crawlomatic, I will leave its link in this video's description. Go ahead guys and check it. It is the most powerful scraping software from the internet. It is a WordPress plugin and it is only for WordPress. So go ahead guys and check it. It is really powerful scraping and crawling plugin. Okay, so this is all for today. Let me know your ideas in the comments of this video. If you have suggestions also, they are welcome. If you enjoyed these videos, like, share, subscribe. If you don't like, it's okay to dislike this video, but leave me in the comments why you did this. Until next time, please subscribe to this channel. It is really appreciated. Bye bye.